Hello and welcome to Natalia's classroom. I hope you are doing great. Today we are at lesson 6 for Python basics for data science, and we will continue with the dictionary. And today I will show you that how we can create a dictionary where the key has multiple values. So it is a very small concept and very simple to implement. So let's dig into the code and create a dictionary that where the values are multiple for a single key. uh, what do I mean? Let's start and write the code for this. Let's create a dictionary. Profit and loss is equal to, and the same syntax, we need curly brackets to create a dictionary, and we make value pairs. So let's start with the first key, and the first key is months, and then I will put a colon, and then I will put this array subscript notation, the square brackets, and I will put the name of some months. Then I will put a comma and the name of another month, then a comma and name of another month. So let's suppose this is our first key, months, in the dictionary profit underscore loss, and this month's key has more than one values, 1 2 3 4, and you can add. And there is another key, the second key is profit. Then I will put a colon and the square brackets, and I'm going to write the profit for each month in, let's suppose, millions or billions, whatever. 2.5 comma 1.6 comma 4.2. All right, and then again a comma and a new key value, loss. So that can be a certain loss or expense or something that we need to record. And let's suppose it's 0.2, it's 0.5, 0.3, and 0.7, let's suppose. So what I have done, I have created a dictionary with multiple keys, and the keys have more than one values. So this is the dictionary and it is created. Let's check it out with the print command. Print profit underscore loss. See, it is showing me the complete dictionary. I can do it in a different manner. If I want just to check only one key values, like I want to see the loss, so I will just put the square brackets and I will write the name of my value, sorry, the name of the key, and it will just show me the key. So this is how we can easily um, create multiple values for a key value, for a key in a dictionary. And if this was it, it's very pretty simple. So this was it for today's lesson, and I hope you have understood that how we can have different multiple values for our keys in dictionary. And for the next lesson, I will start with the pandas, and we will see how much powerful structure the pandas provide in Python and how can we manipulate them. So please like, share and subscribe my channel and stay connected for the upcoming tutorials.